Hey, so if you've never used GatherTown before and it looks a bit confusing, yeah, don't worry. It's actually super fun once you get it. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. All right? Quickly, GatherTown is basically a virtual space where you move around as an avatar and talk to people like in real life. When you get close to someone, your video and audio automatically turn on. To get started, just open a Gather link or join a workspace. You might need to sign in, or sometimes you can join instantly depending on the setup. Once you enter, you'll create your avatar. This is your character in the space. So, yeah, customize it however you like. Now, use your keyboard arrows, or WASD keys, to move around. You can also double-click to walk to a spot automatically. Here's the cool part. Just walk up to someone and your mic and camera will connect automatically. Move away, and it disconnects. Yeah, just like real life. You can also send messages using chat or use reactions and emojis to interact quickly during conversations. To join a meeting, just walk into a meeting area or click a join button. You can also schedule meetings using calendar integration. Some objects are interactive. Just press X near them to open links, videos, or files. So, yeah, explore around a bit. If you're hosting, you can design your own space, add rooms, furniture, or even games to make it more interactive. So yeah, that's how to use GatherTown. Once you get used to moving around, it feels really natural. If this helped, check out more simple guides like this.